I never stood up in the Dáil and spoke about any of those things, I can assure you. But I'll tell you what I did do when I was a credit union manager. A credit union has a duty to look after the savings of those who deposit their money with the credit union. They're called the members. And unfortunately, in some cases, and always with the approval of the board of directors in the credit union, that legal proceeding took place, but it was only as a matter of last resort. And I can tell you that nobody lost their house when I worked in a credit union. I was speaking for myself when I said that I have never tried to benefit from people who have been in difficult situations, and I speak about myself. Barristers have a job to do. That's the first thing. Barristers have a job to do. I respect them, absolutely respect them. They play a hugely important role. Lawyers play it's part of our system. It's part of the system, of our legal system. But the point I am making is, how can you stand up and give out and criticise and castigate banks, and at the same time you're working for them to repossess houses? Can't make it any clearer.